One missile, one explosion, and a $300 million piece of American military technology all of a sudden gone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the claim now making waves across the Middle East battlefield. Welcome to TimesXP's war coverage. It's me, Dhriti Athri, and reports suggest that Iran may have successfully struck a critical American radar installation located at Muwafaq Salti Air Base. This particular base operated in cooperation with Jordan and the US military. It plays an important role in monitoring the missile threats across the region. The radar that was reportedly destroyed, it is believed to be the powerful ANTPY-2 radar, one of the most advanced missile tracking radars used by the US today. Now, to understand why this matters, imagine a giant pair of electronic eyes scanning the sky every second. That is essentially what the ANTPY-2 radar does. It detects the enemy ballistic missile thousands of kilometers away, calculates their path, and sends the information to air defense system so that they can shoot the missile down before it hits the target. The radar is the core component of THAAD missile defense system, by the way, one of America's most sophisticated anti-missile shields designed to intercept threats in the final phase of the flight. Well, according to defense analysts, destroying such a radar, it's not just about damaging an equipment. It temporarily weakens the entire defense network in that area. If the radar stops working, other systems have to pick up the job, right? And in this case, the burden could shift towards MIM-104 Patriot missile system, which is widely deployed across the Middle East to protect the bases and the cities. But wait, there is a complication. Patriot system rely heavily on PAC-3 interceptor missile. And those interceptors, they are expensive. They are produced in limited numbers. And that means that every interception becomes more difficult when the radar network is reduced. In fact, satellite images released by international media appeared to show serious damage to the site. The picture suggested that the radar array and some support vehicles, they were destroyed after the strike. But ladies and gentlemen, if that is confirmed, then it would present one of the most significant hits against the US military infrastructure in the region during the current tension. But there is even bigger picture here. The Middle East today is covered by a complex web of radars, interceptors, and surveillance system operated by the US and its partners. Now, these systems watch the skies over the Persian Gulf, Israel, and nearby countries to detect the missile launches within seconds. So when one radar node goes down, it creates a temporary gap in that early warning shield, and that is exactly why this reported strike is being watched so closely. If Iran managed to destroy such a high-value radar with a single strike, it sends a very powerful message about vulnerability of even the most advanced military technology. But as always in modern conflicts, claims and counterclaims move faster than missiles.